Hi, this is Dr. Mark Lippman. I'm here as a neurologist studying in school. So, which class is this? One Lily. So they are from one Lily class. Alright, so let's have some introduction time. Okay, what's your name?
My name is
Yours?
My name is
What's your name?
My name is
What's your name?
My name is
Yours?
Schools and colleges, all the fun
Yours?
come
My
on.
name is
Yours? Alright, so today we are here together to have some fun with letter O because a lot of people in class never heard O. It's a short sound, so they must. Alright, everybody say shot. Not short, it's a shot. I do mean
शाइज़ा यूसुफ ने क्या कमाल है फैसी ने तारीफ से इसका निशान है
No, just touch it.
साहिबान पोदा में दूसरा मकाम है
Okay, so this is not O as you pronounce it. Awesome. Okay, so what's the first word? O and then X. Ox. Okay, how many people say it's ox? Okay, so we'll be in this stand for this one called it is ox. Open your mouth and say ox. Just look at them and say ox. Ox. Good job. Ox. Okay, let's move on to the next word. So the next word is what's this? Ox. Everybody say now say pa. Pa. Stretch your arms out and say pa.
schools and colleges जहाँ ख्वाब बनते हैं हकीकत जहाँ हर दिन है उनकी बरकत
Just stretch your arms. Pa.
नई नस्ल का इस्म है हर कदम इल्म कदम है ये साहिबान से पुकारा है कि शादात फता की पहचान आई है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह शुक्र का ये मकाम है शाइज़ा यूसुफ ने क्या कमाल है फैसी में तारीफ से इसका निशान है साहिबान पोदा में दूसरा मकाम है बेकुन हासिल schools and colleges अलग की पहचान है रोशन इससे हर हो जान है New बेकुन हासिल group of schools and colleges जहाँ हर दिन कामयाबी लिखे हर फूल में मौजूद फैज़याबी लिखे
Good job. Okay, have the fist pump in there. All right. So let's go for this class, and next time we're gonna come up with some pugilist. Okay, so we're gonna pronounce it. So everybody say first, make a fist. Yes, that's fist. Okay, we have power. All right. So everybody say bye bye.
Bye bye.